Okay, sorry guys, it's part 2. My phone accidentally went haywire. And I got attacked by these dogs recently. Alright, these holes. And Bella won't come out, and she took the ball with her. Wait a minute. Now I gotta go into the woods and look for it. Dang nabbit, my sunglasses are fogging up. No! Goodness gracious. That's much better. Now I would be able to see the red ball that Bella might have dropped. Bella! Bella, come back! Bella! Hopefully dingoes aren't out. Wait, no, dingoes are in Australia. I mean coyotes. You following me back up? Oh, son of a gun. Dang nabbit, Bella, where'd you went? Bella! My other hand's getting cold. Oh, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Oh yeah, you better run. Come back here. Come back. Yeah, you better run. Bella! Oh, is that a creek over there? Branches, my only weakness. Dang nabbit. Dang nabbit, dang nabbit, dang nabbit. Can't get past that. I don't want to crouch under it. Yeah. Yeah, I can actually crouch under it. Eck. 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 Okay, I got under it. Okay. There it is! There's the red ball! I knew Bella dropped it. Now I gotta go get it. I'm not gonna be fast. She sees it first. Hopefully there's no snakes. But it's very cold out. Oh, dang that. Does she see it? She sees it. Bring it over here, cutie pie. Bring it over here. Bring it over here, cutie pie. Cutie pie, come here with it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Success, we got the ball back. Note to self, never let Bella play with ball. Here I come for it. And this is why you shouldn't wear sunglasses in the woods. You never know when you... Oh, frick, sticks! Oh, no! Sticks, I thought I loved you. Why? Here I come. Good thing I didn't step in poison ivy. See all that green grass? I know what's done to that grass. But I ain't telling you guys. Cookie! Oh, you got the ball. Ooh, you got the ball. You got the ball? Dang it, Evan. It's cold, and I'm breathing a lot. And I haven't been up in a long time, so I'm out of shape. Come on. You want to fight? You want to fight? She's definitely the chaseful type. She's chasing me. Oh, frick, my knee. My knee. Oh, no, I almost dislocated my knee. Okay, that's enough for today. See you next time, guys. G Shadow 85 out.